Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using your Google account and opening the Google Voice app. Tap Get a Voice Number and search by city or area code to pick a number. If you already have one, choose port instead. Once done, link a forwarding phone, enter your mobile number and verify with the 6-digit code sent by Google Voice. Make sure to enable app permissions for microphone and notifications so calls and voicemails reach you immediately. Now you configure how calls and texts behave. Open Settings, then adjust linked numbers and call forwarding so your devices ring in preferred order. Toggle Do Not Disturb for quiet times. Customize voicemail greeting and enable transcription to read messages. Set spam filtering to block junk. For daily use, tap the dialer to place calls, use message threads for SMS, and add participants for group messages. Make sure your data, finish by testing all functions. Call your new voice number, send an SMS, and leave a voicemail to confirm transcription and notifications. If calls fail, sign out and sign back into the app, reinstall it, and recheck microphone and notification permissions. This resolves most permission or sync errors. If you ported a number, monitor the port status in email and expect up to 1 or 2 days for completion. If problems persist, restart your phone and retry the verification steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.